Thanks for joining me today. It's time to open up some surprises. Let's start with this Kinder Surprise egg. Let's see what we find in here. You gotta open it up first. Now we got some yummy brown chocolate. And we have to find out what's hidden inside the chocolate. It's another surprise egg. Let's see what's inside this surprise egg. Plop it open. It's not easy. Plop. Okay, we have 3 different colors. We have light blue, dark blue, and red. Now we'll look at the instructions to see what this is going to make. Oh, it looks like it's going to be this ball. Okay, let's put the ball together. We have to connect all these plastic pieces. Start with light blue and dark blue. Now we'll connect the red piece to light blue and to dark blue. Now we'll connect the light blue piece to red and dark blue, like this. Now we have 2 more pieces left. Let's take this dark blue piece, plop it in here, and in here, and in here. And now we have 1 more red piece left. That's going to be connected to a dark blue piece, a light blue piece, another dark blue piece, and finally another light blue piece. And now we have a fun ball. Want to try rolling it? Let's try this. 1, 2, 3. Yoo! What a great surprise that was. We have a fun ball. Now we'll open up this funny looking Play-Doh surprise egg. Look at all those little pimples it has on it. Let's take them off one by one. They're so weird. They feel so funny too. And look, they're like brown and green. They look a little disgusting. Ugh. Okay, so now we only have a blue Play-Doh surprise egg left. And inside the blue Play-Doh surprise egg is a blue, really loud, normal surprise egg. Plop, let's see what we find in here. Wow, first we have a really cool Cars magnet we can put on our fridge. It says team on it and it shows Lightning McQueen. Really fun. What else do we have in here? We have a blue thing, also from Cars, from the Disney movie. Oh, it looks like it's a stamp. Let's try this out. Yes, look, it's a stamp and it says 62 or 50, 59, I'm not sure. So this one is a blue stamp. What else do we have in here? Another stamp. What does this one say? It's hard to see because it's very similar to my skin color. What do you think it says? Like S and R or something? So we have a second stamp. Also with a Cars character. And then the last thing in here is another stamp, also from the Cars movie. So this was a Cars movie surprise egg. And this one's like a wheel or something. Look at this. See, it's something like a wheel. And now my hand is full of stamps. Okay, so we got 3 stamps and a magnet in our funny looking pimple surprise egg. Let's now open the second surprise, Kinder Surprise egg. Let's see what we find in here. We'll have to open it layer by layer again. So first we have the foil. Now comes the chocolate. Milk chocolate on the outside, white chocolate on the inside. Yummy, yummy. And we got the yellow surprise egg again. Have to plop it open. Ooh, what is this? Let's see. Take everything out. Okay, this is not important. Here are the instructions. It looks like a fast racing car. And we think we got this white one. Okay, let's put this together. How does it work? This piece goes here. This piece goes here. Like this. Now this is done. And now we have to connect this piece like this. Oh, but first we have to take off the rubber band. Here's the rubber band. We have to put it right on here. And now we have to connect this, push it in. And once we let go, this car is gonna shoot to the moon, like phew, like that. But first, we'll have to put those stickers on to make it look like a real racing car. And those stickers come here in the front. Okay, everything's clean. Our car has room. Let's try this. 1, 2, 3, go. Whee! Did you see that? We'll do it again. Put it together. And 1, 2, 3, go. Whee! That was so fast. Wow. Finally comes the biggest surprise, and hopefully the best one. This frozen surprise bag. Okay, let's open this up. Frozen super surprise bag. Like this. Now we have to open it. Zip. Okay. Now, it starts with this amazing frozen booklet with all kinds of pictures we can paint, and it tells us the story of the Frozen movie. Have you seen the Frozen movie? I'm sure you have, because then you'll know the story, and not only can you draw it, your parents can read it to you, see? So we can paint all the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pictures while our parents are reading the stories to us. What a great surprise. Let's see what else we find in here. Ooh, we got some frozen stickers. Wow, look at all the characters from the movie. So pretty. And what else did we get? We got some crayons to paint the booklet. Wow, I'm sure I'll be busy for a long, long time painting all the beautiful pictures and reading the Frozen story. So, that was our last and biggest surprise for today. That's all for today. Leave a comment and let me know which of the surprises you like best. And don't forget to keep smiling. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and watch some more of my videos. Bye bye!